Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete song using Mureka AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your account. First, open Mureka.ai in your browser. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. The fastest way is by using Google. Click Continue with Google. Select your Gmail address. Confirm your login, and you're in. Quick and simple. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. This is the main interface. Clean, minimal, and easy to navigate. You can see the tracks I've already created here, but for now we'll focus mainly on the lyrics section. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Add or generate lyrics. If you already have lyrics written, just paste them into this box. But if you don't, no stress. Mureka can generate lyrics for you from scratch. Just click Generate Lyrics. If you want random lyrics, press the button as it is. But if you have a specific theme, like a sunny day at the beach, a sad rainy night, a deep emotional love story, write your idea here first. Mureka will build original lyrics around your concept. Let's try one. I'll type, "Write a song to enjoy on a sunny beach." Then click Generate Lyrics. And there you go, lyrics created automatically. Click Use this lyrics, and it will be placed into the main lyrics field instantly. Step 4. Choose a style. Now we choose how the music should feel. This step is optional but powerful. You can let Mureka decide automatically based on your lyrics, or you can set the song style yourself, which is what I'll show you now. For this example, I'll use Style, Acoustic Indie Pop with Light Tropical Influence, Mood, Relaxed, Dreamy, Nostalgic Sunset, Instruments, Acoustic Guitar, Soft Percussion, Warm Pads, Light Keys, Vocal, Smooth emotional tone, tempo 85 to 95 BPM, vibe calm like the ocean, warm like golden evening light. These settings fit beautifully with summer, ocean, and beach-themed lyrics. Feel free to experiment with other moods depending on your song. Step 5. Select vocals and title. Next, choose the vocal style. I'll select male voice for this example. You can also set your song title manually, although Mureka often suggests one automatically based on your lyrics. Step 6. Create the track. Now it's time to generate the music. Just click Create. Mureka will start composing the melody, vocals, harmonies, instrument layers, everything. It usually takes a moment, so be patient. And done! Step 7. Listen, choose, and download. Mureka usually gives you 2 versions of the song to choose from. Let's listen to the first one.
Golden waves are calling my name. Sand between my toes, I'm lost in the flame. Palm trees sway to the rhythm so sweet. Salt in the air and the sun on my cheek.
Sounds great. Now the second version.
Sand between my toes, I'm lost in a flame. Palm trees sway to the rhythm so sweet. Salt in the air and the sun
Even better, I like this one. To download your final track, click on the song, hover over the download icon, select Download MP3, and your studio-grade track is ready to use in your projects. And that's it! You just created a full song using Mureka AI in under 5 minutes with no instruments and no production experience required. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what song style I should generate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.